Very dark with the Eliminex. I'm here in Ocean County, and every time I take a small video, this bed bug is moving. So he's really hiding right now. He was out in the open, and then I turn around, he disappears, and now he's hiding deeper into the folds. So I have to get it. So what I recommend, that's why I take some videos, what I recommend is to get some tape. My favorite tape would be duct tape. And then try to grab it. And then, see, he's hiding in there where I can't get him. See, got him. Perfection. He's looking around. He's pretending he's dead. He's not dead. He's not dead. I see his little legs. You're not getting out of here. So instead of squishing him, you smash him. You think you smash him, and then it disappears, and you didn't kill it, and then you got a problem. So that's about the only thing you can really do as a do-it-yourselfer, is to do inspection. I already have a couple other videos that show samples of the fecal matter that you look for. I took this backing off. Most majority of people don't take the backing off. This is the bottom of the box spring. So you always look in the corners. And that's where we found the big bed bug. There was in the bottom corner, like right here at this spot. And then it ran and tried to hide from me, and I was like, OCD kicked in. I had to find it. Even though my spray treatment will solve it. So you don't really have to find them all, but I prefer to pick up the nice healthy ones. So you can see the bed bug fecal matter. They are in here. They've been in here visiting. Black specks. Here's another one. See that? That's digested blood. Yeah. And you see there's a dead bed bug here from who knows how it died in the cast skin. That's where they molt. And this was at the foot of the bed. So that's kind of curious too, because usually you'd find the bed bugs at the head part of the bed. But we already went through this whole inspection and everything, so we can get this treated and we'll be wrapping up.